Autodesk FeatureCAM provides dedicated features and strategies to help you program your turning center, from facing, turning and boring features to holes, grooves and threads. Autodesk FeatureCAM lets you machine a rich variety of turned components. Efficient use of your machine controller can be achieved using a wide range of supported CAM cycles, whilst the remachining function optimizes the boundaries of processes that share underlying geometry. Tool life and part finish are improved with techniques like automatic corner rounding to deburr parts, and no drag turning to split horizontal and vertical toolpath segments to reduce swarf buildup. Additional undercut detection can be used to adjust the toolpath to the tool geometry, or to remove undercuts completely. Autodesk FeatureCAM supports machines with sub-spindles, bar feeders and bar pullers to reduce material loading times, whilst an array of part handling features, including automatic transfers and support from steady rests and tailstocks, help increase the overall productivity of your turning center.